Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get a voided check from Capital One using the mobile app, which is useful for things like setting up direct deposit or linking bank accounts. To get started, open the Capital One mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, select the checking account you need the voided check for. Next, tap on the menu that says I want to, and then select View All. Scroll down until you see the Checks section. Under Checks, tap on Order a Checkbook. From here, choose the number of checks you want to order and review your account and mailing information. Once everything looks correct, confirm the details and slide the Slide to Order button to place the order. After your checkbook arrives, you can take one of the checks and write the word Void across the front to create a voided check. In some cases, Capital One may also allow you to download a direct deposit form from your account, which can be used instead of a physical voided check. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you get a voided check from Capital One, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.